Hey, how you doing? This is Steve Wright from Untitled Strategies, and today I just wanted to share with you a short, quick video discussing a new online program that helps you generate money online. Now, this program is called PWA, and PWA stands for Partner with Anthony. And Anthony, or otherwise known as Anthony Morrison, you may have heard of him or you may not have. He is an eight-figure earner and entrepreneur online. That basically created this program to help people who've never made money online before, who have never had any success online before and looking for their first breakthrough to start generating large amounts of money online. Now, I've been through this course, I've just started this course, and I can say 110% it's one of the best courses I've ever seen. You'll get to see inside the course later on in this video, because I'm going to jump over to my laptop soon and show you exactly what you get inside this course. But if you're just starting out and you've been failing and you've been looking for ways to generate money online, then this course is for you. If you're someone who's further along and you're a bit more advanced and you're generating money with your online business, then this course, I would say, is for you as well, because it shows you strategies and tactics that he's using himself that allows him to earn insane amounts of money online per month, per year. So it will help you take your business to a whole nother level as well. So it's a great course, a fantastic course, and it's very clever as well in the way it's designed, because it actually goes by a timer sequence. So it's a systematic training, so it basically forces you to have success. So if you follow the trainings, you follow the modules that are in there, which I'm going to show you in a minute, you cannot go wrong. And if you was to tell me that this course was $2,000 to get in, then I wouldn't complain. I wouldn't complain whatsoever. The amount of value and valuable content that you get within there is absolutely second to none. I've never seen anything like this before. While I've been online, I've bought courses for hundreds of dollars. I've paid for courses even over $1,000 before, and they don't even come close to this. This is probably the most comprehensive and most detailed training I've ever seen for an online course that helps you generate money online. So if you're interested, I urge you to check out the link in the description below. Click on it and it'll take you straight to the page and you can get enrolled today. It's only $7. Only $7. My internet connection costs more than this course. And you'll be absolutely doing yourself a disservice if you didn't check it out. But what I wanted to do is I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's inside the course, and I'll show you exactly inside the back office and the members area, and you can see for yourself exactly what you get. So he literally pulls the curtains back from behind his own business and shows you the tools, the software, the strategies, the tactics and formulas that he uses so you can replicate his success. And he shows you how you can literally go from not knowing or having any idea about building an online business or having any idea about generating money online to creating multiple streams of income. This program is one of the best programs I've ever come across. I've bought programs for hundreds of dollars, like I said before, and I've never seen anything like this while I've been online. Some of the courses I've bought in the past, yes, they've given me some success, and others have given me absolutely nothing. And that's the majority of the courses that I've bought. But he leaves no stone unturned. He doesn't hold anything back, and the course is so detailed in its delivery of training. It's absolutely insane. The amount of value that you get is ridiculous. I cannot believe that he's allowing people to get in for just $7 at this moment in time. Okay, so we're inside the PWA back office, or the membership area, if you will. And you can see, as I was talking about before, the sessions are on the left hand side. So if you scroll down, let me scroll down for you so you can see much better. You have, let's get down here. So you have 30, I believe, Yep, 30 sessions all in all in this PWA program. And within each session, you get modules. So for instance, here I've opened up session 1, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 modules within this session. And what you want to do is you want to come into the first session and you want to go through each module, each video, and you want to take notes. And once you've watched all the modules, you just come down here next to the mark this session complete. Obviously it's not here because I've already completed this session, so it's gone, but there'll be a box and you could just click it and it will mark the session complete, which is great because now you can see your progress, which will come up here at the top. So here it's telling me I've completed 100% of the modules within this session. Now you're able to keep track of your progress, which is important, so you can just come back whenever and continue from when you left off. So those are the sessions. There's 30 in all. I believe he's going to be increasing the sessions, so there's going to be more sessions to come. I believe they're getting ready to release another 10 more sessions, which is absolutely insane because, you know, you're getting absolutely incredible value just with the 30 sessions. Let me just talk about the tabs at the top here, so you can see. So dashboard, straightforward. You know, if you click on to any other tab or you go into any other area of the membership and you get lost, you want to come back to this area here, just click the dashboard, it will bring you straight back here. PWA commissions and links. Now this is probably the heartbeat of the course, of the program, because in here, in this tab is basically your ecosystem. And what I mean by your ecosystem is it's a place where you set up all your links and create multiple streams of income. So you'll have links to different products that you can promote, and he gives you the opportunity to earn very, very high levels of income per month. So that's a very important tab. The next one is fast traffic source. Now this is very interesting because I've never really seen something like this in a course before. Basically what he's doing is he's giving you a huge jump start. In fact, he's giving you access to the same traffic sources he uses himself to generate incredible amounts of money. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be a multi-millionaire overnight, you know, that's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is he's giving you access to quality traffic, the same traffic that he buys month in, month out to generate ridiculous amounts of income. And you get the same opportunity to use the same traffic source, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So you don't have to scratch your head worrying about, oh, is this quality traffic? Do I go here to get traffic? Do I go over here to get traffic? You don't have to worry about any of that. In fact, he just gives you the traffic source that he uses himself for his own business, which I think is, you know, great. I think that's absolutely fantastic. So that's there for you as well. And you can use this traffic source to start building and growing your business and start generating income and start generating those big, huge commission checks. So the next tab is business resources. And this is basically a place where 8-figure earner Anthony reveals all his tools and software that he uses to run his own successful online businesses. And it's basically also a checklist for yourself. So you can see all the tools and software that you should be using in order to get the best out of this program and also build your own online business correctly so you can earn the maximum amount of money online. So the next tab is the SC, which stands for the Success Connection, which is basically a private group, a private Facebook group and community where you can literally network with other like-minded people like yourself who are looking to generate money online and build an online business as well. And there's also other people in there who are further along the path of building a successful online business, who are already having success, and you can liaise with them and network with them and really mastermind with these people so they can help you get success even faster. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just play you a snippet of one of the videos in session 1 just to give you a flavor of what to expect from the PWA 2019 Partner with Anthony program. So let me go down to session 1 and I'll play this video here. Welcome and first steps with Anthony. So let me play this for you. I'll play a bit for you.
Hey there, it's Anthony Morrison, and I want to welcome you inside of the Partner with Anthony program. I'm so excited to have you here. I truly believe that this is going to be a phenomenal experience for you, because what we've done is we've combined systematized training, right? So if you look right beside this video, you'll see the links for each day's training, okay? Now, here's something that's very important. When you click on, say, day 1 or session 1's module, okay, and we'll call it session 1, when you click on that, you'll see that there are a few training videos and a few exercises you need to complete inside of session 1. At the end of that session, you'll want to mark it completed. And at that point, our timer will start, and 24 hours or so later, session 2 will be open for you. The reason that we do that is we found that through systematizing the training and through making sure that you take each step and then wait and complete everything before you take the next step, you have more success.
So that is it in a nutshell. That is the PWA 2019 Partner with Anthony course. Like I said, if you're really interested, if you're really serious about building an online business, really serious about generating money online, if you've never made any money online and you're looking for that breakthrough, I really highly recommend this course. This course is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this before. It's only $7. It's a really tiny investment. You really can't go wrong with this. If you're interested, I've left a link in the description below. Check it out. Click it and it will take you straight to the page where you can get enrolled today. And I hope to see you inside, and I hope to see you having huge success with this. I've just started this. I'm loving every moment of it. And I'm looking to document my results in the future. So stay tuned. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. I've been Steve Wright. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Click the link in the description below. Join today. Get started today. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.